Hi, my name is Sandhya and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you an instant breakfast recipe. We're going to make Kerala style Appam instantly. The ingredients list for this dish is given in the description box below. And before you move into the video, don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, like, share and comment. So the ingredients required for the instant Appam are cooked rice. You can also use leftover rice. I've got some rice flour in here. I'm using store-bought rice flour. Use the little grainy version and not the super fine one. In here I've got some grated coconut and we'll also need salt to taste and sugar to taste. So let's start making the appam. So we're going to add the rice flour, coconut, salt and sugar along with some warm water and make a batter. We'll blend it in the mixie and make a batter out of it. So first I've added the rice flour and the cooked rice into the mixie jar along with half a cup of warm water. We'll blend this into a smooth paste. So I've run the mixie and the rice flour and the rice is mixed together. I've kept adding warm water in between. At this stage we'll add in the grated coconut along with salt and sugar. After adding all this, we'll run the mixie again to make the smooth batter. So the instant appam batter is ready. It's nice and thick, and all we have to do now is to add some cooking soda into this and let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. So I'm going to add a pinch of cooking soda into this. Mix well and we'll let this sit for 10 to 15 minutes. So I've placed an appam pan on medium flame. When it's nice and hot, we'll just pour the batter. And then swirl it around. So if you don't have an appam pan, you can use a rounded kadai if you have one, or you can just pour it out like uttappams and make it that way. So you can see it's cooked nicely and the edges have crisped. Now we'll remove it carefully from the pan. And your instant appam is ready. So the super easy appam is ready. You can serve this with some egg curry or stew. I have the recipes for both these in my channel, so do check it out. I'll see you next time with a new recipe. Until then, bye bye.